Hello and welcome back to the channel. Been a little while since I've done a video, and I don't think I've ever done a video on this channel. Or, well, I guess I did on the family vlogging channel, but I haven't done one on this channel with all of us. I've done videos with Duncan and with Christina. Ellis has never been on this channel as far as I know, except maybe like demo video. But today, we got another box of treats in the mail, and if I know people that like treats, they're this direction. So, thought we'd go ahead and open this up, take a look at what comes in it. He's just so excited to be on the camera. So let's open this up and see what comes in this box. This is Munch Pack, if you're not familiar with it. Munch Pack. They do 4 different sizes, I think. It's like between $10 and $40 per box, and you can get up to X number per month. So I'll have a link to it down below. I've been doing this for a few months now, and I usually enjoy it. So let's see what comes in the box. Duncan, you want to pick something out?
Yeah.
There's a sticker on the top. Sticker says Munch Pack. We'll stick it on Duncan.
Here, just pull this.
We've got it. It says it's made for us by Nick.
Thank you,
Ellis, this is going to be fun.
Here.
So the first thing in the box.
No. Oh, Ellis.
One thing at a time, Bobby.
Hang on.
So we have a bag of Cheetos Hot and Sweet from South Korea.
Oh, we probably should have brought a drink with us down here.
Yeah, we probably should have. We'll
We
come back to some of
in
these.
a second and get water.
Yeah.
So.
That is hot and sweet. So if you...
Okay, I'm going to open them.
We're going to open them because there's chips, and this is a little boy that likes chips.
I got a chip.
She got some chips, and
Let's
you may
see how
not
hot
like
they
them.
are.
Let's see what they are first.
Hang on.
They're really
Hold
hot.
on.
They're really hot. What else like it?
They're kind of
They're a little spicy. Oh no, here we go. Turn around. Come here.
They're a little
I'm going to try
spicy.
one too.
They're good though.
I'm not trying it.
Ooh,
It's
that
not
is sweet.
hot. It's not that hot.
It's not that spicy at all. Oh, that's really good. Ellis likes them.
They're a little spicy.
He is a fan. I think after a few it'll start to build up. That's not bad. And he says no, he's putting it back.
Don't like it?
Duncan spit it out, which made him spit it out.
Oh, who's next?
Oh, Duncan sees the next thing he wants to look at. What is this? What does it say?
Sour Power Cheese. Cheese.
They think
So-
we're taking a picture.
We've got Sour Power Belts Quattro. These are chewy, sour gummy candy from the Netherlands. So Duncan wants to try those.
Okay, Duncan.
So excited.
Okay, Ellis, do you want to try some candy?
Oh, buddy, we need to give him more sugar. You want a bite?
You want a bite? Here, mommy.
It's so stringy. Not great for the teeth.
Mm.
Oh, he didn't like it. He spit it back out immediately. Come here. Let's see if it's
Okay.
any good.
We're going to find something he likes next.
I like it a lot.
They're
Those are
really
good.
good.
It's a little tiny bit sour. Not too bad. I can go back in for more.
Something else.
I'm peeking a little bit here, but trying to find something else might like. What about this? This says it's Amori Chocolate Bronco. Amori White Chocolate Sandwich Cookies.
You want a cookie?
You want a cookie?
You want a cookie?
Sit down, you have a cookie. He's gone.
You want a cookie? Come here and eat a cookie.
I can already smell something.
It smells really good. It says it has a rich white chocolate cream.
You like the
See.
cookie?
That's really
Oh, where are you
good.
going? He's leaving.
He's leaving with the cookie.
You want a cookie? Are you eating one? Do you like it, Duncan?
No, I don't like it.
When Ellis does not like something, he says,
I
I like
like
it. You don't like
He
it?
didn't even take a bite out of it.
I like it.
You were speaking of drinks earlier, and we forgot to bring a drink. There's a drink. It's Coca-Cola Clear. It's from Japan. Clear cola with a lemon flavor. A lemon flavor. I'm not sure about
I
that,
like
but we'll try it.
lemons.
You want a drink?
I like
Can you sit down with Duncan?
Sit there. Sit
Sit
right
and you can have a drink. Oh, that explosion.
Oh.
That
It
was
probably needs a cold.
It smells kind of like flat Coke.
I'm gonna
Duncan's going to take a sip, and then we'll pass it around.
Duncan likes it.
Ooh,
Apparently Duncan doesn't.
that is weird. It's like lemon plus Coke plus lime.
Tastes like watered down Sprite.
That's not a bad thing. Is that yummy?
You like
He's
that?
leaving. He's over there,
He
but he's
doesn't get-
smiling.
He doesn't get soda very often at all.
Yeah, it tastes kind of like flat Coke.
Oh.
Let's see. What else do we have in the box? Ellis is having a little cow at this point, so we're going to have to finish up. And Mommy has taken Ellis and departed. He was just too hyper after a tiny bit of sugar.
I found
Next
some.
up, this is the Ramoon Soda Cola candies. We've had these before, so we can skip over these right now. We'll come back to them.
Yeah.
We have cannoli chips, powdered sugar, small batch. These are from the USA. They're golden cannoli chips, powdered sugar flavor.
I'm gonna try it.
Try them. Okay. These will be kind of sweet.
Okay.
They're not going to be like chips. They're going to be like a dessert.
Okay.
that smells good. It smells like funnel cake. And it tastes kind of like a funnel cake. That's pretty good.
Oh,
I think Mom will like those.
I'm already into it.
We have a Rip Van Waffles strawberry flavor stroop waffle from Canada. I can't show these up close because I'm using a wide angle lens because we had the whole family here. But it is a chewy sweet stroop waffle with strawberry filling. We'll skip that because I know Mom really likes strawberries and stroop waffle. We've got what looks like some South Korean potato flavor biscuits.
Ooh.
That's interesting. They're like Pocky sticks, it looks like, that are potato flavored.
I don't want to try it. But I do see a
Got, this appears to be candy fruit strips. Frit raspberry chewy candy strips from Germany.
Really
I think you
want
can see that, yeah.
I really want to try it.
This is soft and chewy with vitamin C. That's, make it sound like it's healthy. It's not healthy. Oh, and they're individually wrapped, so that's nice. There you go. Individually wrapped
Ooh, that's
sticky
hard.
fruit candy.
That's actually really hard.
It is kind of hard. I think I've had these before. I've done a few of these boxes where I didn't open them on camera, and I think this may have been in the last box, or at least something similar to it. It's chewy, it's a little tough, but it's very tasty. It's very chewy, but it tastes pretty good. That's a face. That means you don't like it.
No.
I like it pretty well. We have a box of Lotte Waffle Mate. These are from South Korea. Crunchy honey flavored waffle cookies. Maybe shouldn't open too many more things, but just letting you know what's in the box at this point. And the last thing, Chewits Cola flavor from the United Kingdom. Chewy and sweet cola flavored candies. And Duncan is salivating over them. They're not raspberry flavored. They're cola flavored, so he might like these.
I like cola.
I'll like them because I generally just like candy. And that is one of the things I really like about doing the Munch Pack is it gives me the opportunity to try candies and treats and just all sorts of things from all over the world. Mostly it seems from Asian countries, but there are a lot of things from Europe in here too. I've seen previous packages that had things from South America, and
This is like a Starburst.
it's kind of like a Starburst, but it's cola flavored.
And it tastes like Coca-Cola.
Mm-hmm.
I might need more of these.
And with that, I think we've actually reached the bottom of the box. I can hear from upstairs that Ellis is not terribly happy that he ended up having to leave, so unfortunately, maybe we'll see if we can get him into future videos. I know I'm going to try to put him into videos about cameras and cell phone cameras and things like that, because he always loves to smile for the camera. But when you get him on for too long, sitting in one place, he's 2.5. That's what happens. A toddler is not going to sit still for more than a minute or two. Lots and lots of stuff included in this box. Definitely a big fan of these boxes. So if you'd like to try one for yourself, there will be a link down in the description. Thanks so much to Munch Pack for continuing to send these boxes our way. I definitely always appreciate a little box of candy every month. And I think, yeah, he's diving back in already. So thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. As you can see, we've got the 100,000 subscriber plaque over here and already making great progress in the next set of 100,000. I think we're at 109,000 right now, which is awesome. So thank you for all of your support. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. And if you have not already, subscribe to the channel so you get notified when new whatever these videos are come out. And just looking around the room, Duncan, can you see all the stuff that's around this room?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a lot of videos ahead of me, and I got a lot of work that I have to do. And Duncan had a good reminder, you need to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your support. We'll see you again next time. Bye, guys.